Welcome to our comprehensive guide on smart home Internet of Things. Today, we'll explore how you can build connected home systems using smart devices for lighting, climate control, and security. Whether you're new to home automation or looking to expand your existing setup, this guide will cover everything you need to know about devices, communication protocols, and major ecosystems that power modern smart homes. Smart Home Internet of Things refers to a network of interconnected devices that communicate with each other to automate and control various aspects of your home environment. These systems allow you to remotely control devices from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. You can set up automated task execution, so your home responds to your routines without manual intervention. Real-time monitoring provides valuable data about energy usage, security events, and environmental conditions. Most importantly, these systems help optimize energy efficiency, potentially reducing your utility bills while increasing comfort and convenience. Let's look at the essential devices that form the foundation of a smart home. Smart bulbs are color-changing LED lights that offer dimming capabilities and scheduling features. Smart thermostats provide automated temperature control using learning algorithms that adapt to your preferences. Security cameras enable live monitoring with motion detection and instant alerts. Smart locks offer keyless entry with remote access control, perfect for managing who enters your home. Smart doorbells combine video monitoring with two-way communication, so you can see and talk to visitors even when you're away. Finally, smart plugs are an affordable way to convert any traditional device into a smart, controllable outlet. Smart lighting systems have revolutionized how we illuminate our homes. Modern smart bulbs offer access to 16 million color options, allowing you to set the perfect ambience for any occasion. You can control these lights through voice commands or smartphone apps, making it incredibly convenient. Scheduling and automation features let you program lights to turn on and off at specific times. Some systems can simulate sunrise and sunset, helping regulate your sleep cycle. Presence detection triggers can automatically turn lights on when you enter a room and off when you leave. The benefits are substantial. You can achieve up to 80% energy savings compared to traditional bulbs. Smart lighting enhances home security by making it appear someone is home even when you're away. You have complete control over mood and ambience, and smart bulbs typically last much longer than conventional lighting. Plus, they integrate seamlessly with other smart home devices. Smart thermostats and HVAC management systems bring intelligence to your home's climate control. These devices use learning algorithms that adapt to your schedule automatically, so you don't have to constantly adjust settings. Geofencing technology detects when you leave or arrive home, adjusting the temperature accordingly to save energy when you're away. Multi-zone control allows you to set different temperatures for different rooms, maximizing comfort and efficiency. Energy reports track your usage patterns and help you identify opportunities to save on utility bills. You can make remote temperature adjustments from your smartphone, ensuring your home is comfortable when you arrive. Many systems integrate with weather forecasts to make proactive adjustments based on predicted conditions. Voice control through smart assistants makes adjustments as simple as speaking a command. Security is one of the most important aspects of a smart home. Smart cameras provide HD video recording with night vision capabilities, ensuring round-the-clock monitoring. Motion detection alerts you immediately when activity is detected, and cloud storage keeps your footage safe and accessible. Smart locks eliminate the need for physical keys with keyless entry systems. You can create temporary access codes for guests or service providers, and activity logs show you exactly when doors were locked or unlocked. Remote locking capability means you can secure your home from anywhere. Video doorbells add another layer of security with two-way audio communication, allowing you to speak with visitors remotely. They send visitor alerts to your phone, detect package deliveries, and offer live streaming so you can check your front door anytime. All these devices send instant alerts to your smartphone, providing complete peace of mind whether you're home or away. Smart devices use different communication protocols to talk to each other, and understanding these is key to building a reliable system. Wi-Fi is a high-speed wireless connection ideal for data-intensive devices like security cameras and video streaming. It offers high bandwidth, easy setup, and direct internet access. Zigbee is a low-power mesh network protocol perfect for sensors, switches, and smart bulbs. Its mesh network design means devices relay signals to each other, extending range throughout your home while being very battery-friendly. Z-Wave is another reliable mesh protocol specifically designed for home automation. It offers excellent range, strong security, and operates on a frequency that avoids interference with Wi-Fi networks. Bluetooth provides short-range connectivity, excellent for personal devices and proximity-based automation. It's universally supported, allows direct pairing between devices, and is very cost-effective. Each protocol has its strengths, and many smart home setups use multiple protocols to get the best of all worlds. 3 major platforms dominate the smart home market, each with unique strengths. Google Home centers around Google Assistant for voice control and integrates seamlessly with Nest devices. It syncs perfectly with Android devices and offers Chromecast compatibility for streaming. Apple HomeKit features Siri voice commands and stands out with its end-to-end encryption and privacy-focused design. It integrates beautifully with iOS devices and maintains Apple's high security standards. Amazon Alexa, powered by the Alexa voice assistant, has the largest device support of any platform. The Echo speaker lineup offers options for every room, and an extensive skills library adds countless capabilities. The good news is that many smart devices work across multiple ecosystems, giving you flexibility to mix and match or switch platforms as your needs change. Building a smart home doesn't have to be overwhelming if you follow a systematic approach. First, choose your ecosystem. Select a primary platform like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit based on the devices you already own and use. Second, start with a smart hub. Get a smart speaker or display to serve as your control center and voice assistant. Third, add essential devices. Begin with simple devices like smart bulbs, plugs, or a thermostat that provide immediate value and are easy to install. Fourth, create automations. Set up routines and schedules to make your devices work together automatically, which is where the real magic of smart homes comes alive. Finally, expand gradually. Add more devices over time as you identify needs and become comfortable with the technology. Consider security cameras, smart locks, various sensors, and specialized equipment based on your specific requirements. Taking this step-by-step approach ensures you build a system that truly serves your needs without becoming overwhelmed. While smart homes offer incredible convenience, security and privacy must be top priorities. Follow these security best practices. Use strong, unique passwords for all devices and accounts, never reusing passwords across services. Keep firmware and software updated regularly, as updates often include critical security patches. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible to add an extra layer of protection. Use a secure Wi-Fi network with WPA3 encryption to protect your data as it travels through your home network. For privacy protection, review privacy policies before purchasing devices to understand what data is collected and how it's used. Disable microphones and cameras when they're not needed to prevent unauthorized access. Consider creating a separate network specifically for IoT devices to isolate them from your personal computers and phones. Regularly review and delete stored data to minimize your digital footprint. Remember, your smart home should make life easier without compromising security. Choose reputable brands with strong security, track records, and stay informed about best practices as technology evolves.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.